The wildcard matching. There are two special characters in the pattern, which the question mark represent a single character and the star match the sequence of a character or empty. And basically, I found this method algorithm. We checked if in the pattern there is a star at the end, we can assuming in the string also. So yeah, dynamic programming also match. So this is a like top-down method in dynamic programming, and I found this not very into it. So I found the Shar Roy, oh boy, he explained this very well, and the basically the hard part is like inside the condition matching when the pattern is star. We try to find the matching from left or and the top pattern is matching. So that's the hard part to understand. Well, the shell using bottom up method, it starts from empty string, empty button, empty pattern. So when the pattern is question mark, it's very easy. We just find the diagonal pattern and pending and copying, so we can see it's true or false. And if it is star, we look at the left first or right. Well, first the left is going to mean that means we're gonna ignore the pattern part. We're gonna assuming the pattern is empty and check if it's true or false. If it's true, happy we have true, we go copying to the current pattern in the dynamic matrix. If it is false, it's fine. We can also check the characters in the up place. That means we're gonna ignore both part of the pattern and the string. So we're gonna assuming the patterns star represent the same character as the string. That way we're gonna ignore one character in both pattern and string. So that makes we gonna check the item -1 j. So if we see in the top-down solution here, we're gonna use string pattern +1 and pattern +1. So if we see the arrow is pointed from the left to the right, and then you put bottom top down, we're gonna see the kind of reverse pattern. So that should works.